The mark text plugin will allow us to mark text within our font. So if we have a font within our scene tree, we drag the mark text plugin onto it, and within the mark text editor here we have a text to mark box. So you can choose either letters or a whole word or whatever you want to mark text. If we just want to do 2 letters, all we have to do is type in the R and K here for mark text, and you can see what happens here with this letter. So now that you actually have something marked or underlined, you can actually move this underline. You can spread the width out here or the size of it by increasing in that. You also have the position of it that you can offset. There's a depth to it as well, so you can move it. There's a foreground color. You can change the color of it. And then you actually have a drop down for what you want to mark. Is it the front text? Is it the shadow? Or is it both? Or is it none? So if we did have a shadow within our font, you can come into the shadow tab here, turn your shadow on, go back into the mark text, and if you just want to mark it on the shadow, it will now mark it on the shadow. As you can see, it has its own color and independent adjustments, but if you want it on both, you just put it on both, and now you have 2 lines here under that RK. So instead of just 2 letters, if you wanted the whole word, come into the top here and type in a whole word as well, and it would basically underline the word.